Let's round up our discussion on cryptography by talking about other types of cryptographic technologies. The first one here is something that we call the homomorphic encryption. Now, this is basically the conversion of data into ciphertext that can be analyzed and worked with as if it was still in its original form. Now, because of this, we can use homomorphic encryption in things like complex mathematical operations. The next kind of technology will be the blockchain, of course. This is the concept in which an expanding list of transactional records are secured by making use of cryptography, and each record is referred to as a block and it is run through a hash function. So the way this works is that the hash value of the previous block in that chain will be added to the hash calculation of the next block, thus ensuring that each successive block will be cryptographically linked. That's why it's called a blockchain. And of course, the blockchain is recorded in a public ledger that will be decentralized across a peer-to-peer or a P2P network in order to mitigate the risks associated with a single point of failure. And the final type of technology here is what we call steganography. This is basically the technique for obscuring the presence or hiding the presence of a message, such as hiding a message in a picture. Now, please note this for the exam. The container document or file that's holding the actual obscured message, we call that the cover text. Okay, it is the container document or file. So steganography relies on the concept of security by obscurity. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next class.